Last time we finally crossed the border from Mongolia to Russia, but it wasn't easy. In this episode, we make our way to Moscow, but a smoking engine puts a brake on our plan.
Still, we don't know what to do, and I'm shaking. Mark is shaking.
Exploded all over, as you will soon see.
굿모닝입니다, 여러분. 저희는 어제 노보브리스크라는 도시를 향하다가 시간이 늦어가지고 공용 주차장 같은 쉼터에서 주차를 하고 잤어요. 근데 아침에 일어나니까 여기 웨딩을 준비하는 것 같아요. 밖에 뷔페 같은 걸 준비해가지고 여기 자리를 비켜줘야 될 것 같습니다. 여기 지금 웨딩 한다고 준비하는 줄 알았는데요. 실은 래프팅 하는 사람들 내려올 때 같이 식사를 할 수 있도록 만든다고 합니다. 웨딩이 아니래요. 근데 음식 냄새가 장난 아닙니다. 바베큐도 굽고 있고.
We should have booked the rafting trip, but the food looks really good.
Yeah. Should we take off?
We made our way west towards Moscow. Russia was hosting the World Cup this year, so we hoped we might catch our Korean Red Devils play a match. But that would mean covering a lot of miles in a short time. So we drove many hours each day, sleeping in empty parking lots and pulling over to eat when we were hungry.
Я же говорил, съезжу в Корею.
It was so cool.
It's the rock riders. 잘 먹겠습니다. 내가 먼저 먹을 차례다. 알겠나? 락라이더에서 이거 주셨어요, 주인분이. 이게 로고입니다. 여기 식당. 쿨. We finished. It was really good. Really good. 괜찮았지, 음식?
It's really good.
Along the way, we stopped at a few big cities like Novosibirsk and Omsk. But our last stop in Ekaterinburg took a lot longer than we had planned.
Where are we?
We're at IKEA.
And tell me what happened to us.
I have no idea.
Okay, guys, we're in the IKEA for buying some stuff for the TV, but the problem we have is we are trying to get out of the city, but it starts to smoke. Smoke, right? Can I say smoke? Smoke is coming up from the car, and then we were stuck in the parking lot and cannot move, so we are blocking all the traffic. And still, we don't know what to do, and I'm shaking. Mark is shaking. As we are under the pressure. Not sure, really not sure. We haven't ever seen the car was smoking that hard and burning smell inside of car.
I see the liquid that exploded all over, but I don't see where it came from.
Still, we are not sure what we need to do.
Hello, Ding Ding Hi.
There is a service center, and Mark checked it. It's so close, so we are trying. We will try to go there to fix the car, but we're not sure if we can make it. But we will try a little bit. Actually, I'm shaking, Mark. Anya, I'm shaking. We made it to the service center. It just took a minute to get here. Let's see. Sorry guys, I'm shaking and nervous, seriously. I don't want to do it. Smoking crazy. The that wasn't the car service center. That was a car washing center. So we got the directions where it's a real like a car fixing place. So we are gonna head up there. 150 meters, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hope we can make it.
Присутствие. Туда не добраться. Неудобная штука.
First try, fail. Sit. They cannot fix the TV because it's quite unique car, so we are going to other shop. Hopefully, we can make there, right?
Yeah.
Hope TV will not make the weird smoke. Whew, what a day! What a day, guys!
Hi.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We're looking for a Kia repair center.
The Kia Repair Center we have. What do you need?
I think my van, my Kia van, the air conditioning, one of the lines exploded.
Ah.
Yeah, so there, it was steaming before.
Okay, understood. I will ask. Do you need it today? Yes, as I understood.
Sooner, as soon as possible, but
Okay, we can go to the service and we will
Okay.
discuss. My name is Olga. What is your name?
Lucy and Mark.
Lucy and Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, let's go.
Tell me what happened.
I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's the AC line, something around there. Okay, so guys, we're at the Kia dealership, and unfortunately, their bay can't raise Tubi because she's too tall. The nice service manager here is looking for a shop for us to get our car repaired. So she's looking now. We're waiting.
When that thing happened, your like situation was kind of like not a good situation. We were like going uphill and then like so much like traffic
Right.
and people were waiting.
And the sound too. It
Sound
was such
was
a weird
scary.
sound. It's like, I was like, what's that sound?
Is it ours?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's smoking right now. It's serious, like having something wrong.
As it turned out, the service manager didn't want to deal with our old van. And in fact, the service bay was plenty tall enough to lift Tubi. But thanks to Olga, they finally started to work on her.
여러분, 저는 또 이제 기아 센터에 와 있어요. 근데 올가라는 여기 옆에 계신 여성분이 저희를 너무 많이 도와주셔가지고 정말 너무 많이 도와주셔가지고 지금 튜비는 내일 다시 점검을 받을 겁니다. 에어컨의 문제라는 마크의 말이 맞았고요. 내일 대봐야지 알 것 같아요. 고칠 수 있을지는.
Thank you, Olga.
I'm really to help you, so you're welcome.
Best.
We will come back tomorrow 9
Okay, sure.
a.m.
Did you take a paper that I wrote you?
Yeah.
The places?
Yeah. Actually,
So
she recommended a lot of
you
restaurants.
have about 30 minutes. You can go to eat there, so
They were
you should
good.
try. Or maybe in the morning you
Oh,
can
yeah,
try.
right.
They will open at 10 a.m. So
Okay.
you can go. Okay. Nice to meet you. Tomorrow I have holiday, and you can call me if you have any questions. You already wrote my number, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, nice to meet you. Good luck. You're welcome.
Look at the rain.
Oh my god.
I think we should turn back around, maybe.
Yeah. Oh my god, over there too. Everywhere.
We planned on driving to a nearby park to camp for the night. But the roads were flooded and we had to head back to Kia, where we spent the night in their parking lot. Today didn't turn out the way we had planned, but it could have been much worse. Sometimes we are truly shocked by the kindness shown by good people such as Olga. But the next day, we were in for even a bigger shock. But for that, you will have to wait till next time.
I'm Lucy. What do you think about the video? Do you guys like it? Share your thought below comment, it will help us a lot. Oh, if you like the video, hit that like button. It will give us the power to create more videos. Right next to subscribe button, there is a bell button. If you click the button, you will get notification when we upload the videos. But if you don't, you might miss our videos a lot. So if you didn't click bell button, please go there and then click it. If you're new to our channel, click here to subscribe and you will see more videos. Other videos will show here. If you missed our videos, click here to check it. Then, bye bye!